My story is basically I'm the kid that, that people didn't give me the chance, right? Or they said, you're never going to make it because of my education, or because of how I was, cocky. People misunderstand that for my confidence, right? And I came from nothing, you know what I'm saying? Like, my parents suffered so much to get me here from El Salvador. So I think that because I had to prove myself, right? And I'm so hard on myself to prove myself, you know what I mean? I give so much respect for myself because at the end of the day, it's a challenge to me, right? I learned that the more challenges that I accomplish, the more opportunities come to me. And I learned not to chase the money anymore. I chase the opportunity. So I said, if I want to make $1 million, I keep chasing the $1 million, I'm never gonna get it. But if I get the opportunity to make $1 million, that's what's gonna happen. And I want my guys to be the same, get the same opportunities. You know what I mean? Because when I grew up and I was coming up in this business, no one gave me that opportunity. You know what I'm saying? Like, I wanted to be the one to give them that opportunity to say, listen, let me put you into management, let me put you into finance, right? Because your whole life can change. Your entire life will change. Your family's life will change. Your kid's life will change. Because it happened to me. So the selfish thing you can do is help other people. And I want all of us to really make it. Like, I really mean that. That's why I'm willing to share my ideas. I'm willing to help other people. Because I know what it is to be on the other side. You know what I'm saying? I'm not making it. So I got all this knowledge, and I love technology, and marketing is like my passion. I do it every day. I breathe it every day. I'm constantly on it. I mean, you see me, always with technology, and it's just, we're so light years ahead. And it's like, I feel if you use technology for the right ways, for the right reasons, you're gonna survive. Especially with what's common with with millennials and the internet and stuff like that. Tonight, it's basically rebranding. It's basically a year that has happened, right? That has happened. The what I've done here, and create culture, and I believe the culture, it's so important in any business, not just the car business. But we rebranding ourselves to basically say, hey, listen, we made it this far, but it's time to step it up a little bit more. It's time to reinvent, not reinvent the wheel, but modify it, and let's go back to basics and take it to another level, even higher, which I know is possible, and I know we're gonna do it. In my mind, it already happened. Well, listen, if it's not fun, I don't like to do it. You know what I mean? I'm all about fun. I don't drink, but I'm gonna have a lot of fun tonight. I'm gonna be the life of the party, I can tell you that.